There's a couple ways to check the tire pressure on your car. Different kind of gauges do the exact same thing. One comes outside, one's gonna give you a reading right there. So once you go up to your tire, take your filler cap off, press the reset button, press in, it's gonna give you a reading. Same thing with this stick. You're gonna go into it, press in, it's gonna give you a reading. I'm gonna tell you how many pounds is in there. This one's like a 30, it's supposed to be a 35. So we actually need 5 pounds. It'll actually tell you, if you look around the wheel, how much PSI you need to put in your car. This one says it's recommended at 44, so we can also set it at that. So next, what you want to do is go grab you a little compressor like this that plugs into your car accessory power, and then it has one of these. Just plug it right into your tire if it's low, and that works. And this is something that you can keep with you in your car, that way you stay out of trouble. And this is when you got a lot of time and you got one at the house, whatnot, then you can just hook this bad boy up, stick that right in there, and it'll start airing your tire up right away. All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, put some comments, follow, share the videos, get the notifications. We got all kind of videos set up and all kind of stuff we'll be able to get for you guys. And until we see you on the next video, we're out of here.